Namaste to all. Here I am with a new video relating to final accounts topic. See, final accounts is such a topic which is very important for all commerce students, whether inter, degree, or even MBA students, as well as BTech students. One topic will be there relating to final accounts. So this is useful for all of you, and this is basic video relating to final accounts, and it will be useful for Icsc, Cbsc students also. So without wasting further more time, let us discuss the what consists of final accounts. Okay, in final accounts what will be there? We will do reports of financial statements. So financial statements will be there in final accounts. So we are discussing financial statements. So financial statements are nothing but manufacturing account to trading account, 3 profit and loss account, and balance sheet. These will be prepared in the financial statements, okay, of proprietorship business concerns. So let us discuss these things in detail. Manufacturing account, okay, most of you might have not seen this. I am saying this video is for all CA foundation students also can watch this. Manufacturing, trading, P&L account, 3 things will be there, and we are going to discuss manufacturing account. Okay, so in manufacturing account, manufacturing, trading, profit and loss account, first part is manufacturing account. In this manufacturing account, work in progress at the beginning will come at the debit side. Raw material consumed we will calculate, that will be 2 opening stock of raw material plus purchases during the year minus closing stock of raw material, which will give you raw material consumed. And all manufacturing expenses, that is expenses which are incurred for making the product, okay, all direct nature expenses will come under this, that will be your direct wages and direct expenses. Carriage on purchases, example के लिए, will give you prime cost here. Factory expenses, factory lighting, factory rent, wages, depreciation on plant and machinery, factory supervisor salary, stores consumed, etc. All these are factory expenses. These will be added, and from these debit side, these will be on the debit side. Sale of scrap or byproduct, whatever is there, that will be deducted, that sale value, scrap value. Closing stock of work in progress you need to take on the credit side. Debit total minus these two, sale of scrap and work in progress, we will get cost of goods manufactured, that will be your balancing figure, and transferred to trading account. This will be transferred to which account? Trading account. So next continuation is nothing but our trading account. In trading account, to opening stock of finished goods we will take. Cost of goods manufactured transferred from trading account. This amount whatever is there, that will be transferred to the next account. This cost of goods manufactured is there na, balancing figure. This will be transferred to which account? Trading account here. And credit side you will be having sales, closing stock of finished goods. Okay, the from sales and closing stock of finished goods, opening stock of finished goods, cost of goods manufactured, okay, will be deducted and you will get gross profit. If debit side is more, you may be having by gross loss, right? Generally profit will be there, so gross profit, that will be balancing figure in trading account. So from trading account, gross profit will be transferred to P&L account. So by gross profit brought down will be there. All items of indirect incomes and gains, interest received, dividend received, or discount received, rent received, all indirect incomes will be on the credit side. Debit side we will be having administration expenses, selling and distribution expenses, financial expenses, maintenance expenses. Okay, all expenses if you deduct from gross profit and other income, okay, you will be having net profit transferred to capital. Okay, this will be balancing figure. So in simple terms, manufacturing account, cost of goods manufactured will be transferred to trading account, and from trading account gross profit will be transferred to P&L account and net profit will be transferred to balance sheet. Okay, ये ट्रेन बार बार सता रहा, एक मिनट. Manufacturing account may not be asked at intermediate level, but +1 +2 of CBSC and Icsc this might be asked. Okay, उनके लिए भी यूजफुल हो जाएगा. And for BCom students, generally they will not ask manufacturing account, but sometimes they will ask the manufacturing account. So it is better to learn the things. That is why I am making this video. लाइक करो, शेयर करो, अपने दोस्तों तक पहुंचा दो, और अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं करे तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लो. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में प्रॉब्लम कैसे करेंगे वो देखेंगे, और सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बन तो जीतना बन. दिस वीडियो में जो अभी बता रहा हूँ ना, ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग अकाउंट के बाद ट्रेडिंग के बाद P&L होता. ये बीकॉम वाले को कभी कभी पूछते हैं, और हॉनर्स बीकॉम हॉनर्स वालों के लिए पक्का पूछते हैं. दैट्स इट. जय हिंद.